Spectacular fireworks extravaganza brought to us tonight by Crouse Health and Crouse Health Foundation.
Thank you, Crouse.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go down to the field to Syracuse Mets General Manager Jason Samaro.
Let's hear it one time for your Syracuse Stadium. Let me hear it one time for Breakin' B-Boy McCoy! What a great night of baseball. We fell a little bit short, but we're going to come back again tomorrow on Memorial Day for a day game at Spark in the Park. Come on out with your dogs. Well, we got a few people to thank tonight. We want to thank Crouse Health for a great night. We want to thank the staff, the administration, the doctors and nurses of the Baker Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. We want to thank Dan Fox, our first pitch graduate of the NICU from Crouse Health. Let's hear from Dan. Remember we met him earlier in the night? He weighed 1 pound at birth, and he's 16 years old, and then he's throwing out the first pitch. Let's hear from our boy Jim Booten, our 91-year-old military vet, the day before Memorial Day. You guys ready to get this party started? You want to get some fireworks on this Memorial Day weekend?
Yeah!
Are you ready, Scoops? What do you think? You want some fireworks? We gotta hear you scream! All right, let's get some t-shirts ready. We got some Crouse Health t-shirts. You want to be breaking it down with me? Or McCoy right here. Let's go for some t-shirts! Friends from Crouse Health. Let me help you one time. You guys finish it off. 10, 9, 8,
shiny place. Think I bet we'll freedom's like burning warm. Freedom's like burning warm. Everywhere around the world, they come, return flags unfurled. They come into America, got a dream to take them there. They come into America, got a dream. They come into America.
Affordable, family, fun, the York, Syracuse, Mass. Thank you all so much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out to this Crouse Health Night here on a Kids Eat Free Sunday. We thank Crouse Health for sponsoring tonight's game and that great fireworks extravaganza. We want to have you all take your time getting out of the stadium when 7,000 people all leave at the same time. It takes some time to exit the stadium. Our staff is out there to put you into lanes. Please drive home safely. Please be mindful of our staff in the parking lot. Please be mindful of your weekend here this evening.